Hello everybody, it's me and him again. Right, today we will try to unbox
This
this. This is
iPad 9 generation.
Yeah, Apple iPad 9 generation.
Yes.
This is an offer from Maxis. Right, we only get it with 9 ringgit per month for 36 months. Right, so
Yes.
if you calculate, you will only get roughly around 300 ringgit Malaysia to get a new iPad.
Wait, what is in Malaysia?
Yeah, it's in ringgit Malaysia.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Yeah, so let me try to unbox it first. Right, and we will see what is inside the box. The box is being packed in a very nice way and is delivered also in a very secure way, right? Thanks to Maxis. So we will take some time to open up the box.
You use the scissors, not your hand?
No, just cut open the
Okay, I'll wait for you. I'm gonna see. Are you ready?
right?
It's been 10 hours.
Yeah, like I mentioned, it's like a packed very nicely. So they make sure your iPad is delivered to you in super good condition.
Yes. Wait,
Right?
they got Apple Pencil?
Nope, they only have the iPad.
Okay. Wait.
Alright, open up. Alright. They come with a lot of bubble
Oh,
wrap.
what's this?
And this is from
What is this?
Maxis. See?
You got Maxis.
It's from Maxis.
I think this was guitar. Let me show you.
This is from Maxis.
Did you see?
It's
from
all
guitar.
the bubble wrap wrapped very nicely, and here we take out. Alright. What is inside there? What is inside? Can take out lah. Jangan paham.
Is this?
So there are this recycle pack,
Yup.
and then here is the iPad.
Oh, masuk.
Dang, 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 dang.
Here is it. Wow.
It's only with the
It's
iPad.
64 GB with
And
Wi-Fi. Wait, this can recall?
there's a retailer price is around 1,499, and
Is this use USB-C?
yes, it's a USB-C.
Your phone use what USB?
Also, it's USB-C.
Oh, so this thing can charge your phone.
Yes, of course.
Open
Alright.
it for me.
So let's unbox this. Alright, iPad.
Yep.
And we are not able to choose the color because it's offer from
I think
Maxis.
Space gray.
Alright.
Because I see the picture of space gray. Are you opening gray? Yeah, I'm just gonna take a sleep. No. Wait. There's plastic.
Don't open like that. You can throw away the plastic.
I'll put it there.
Alright, I will let baby go and open like that. You don't open like that. You open horizontally so that the iPad won't drop out. Like that. Okay, let me help. It will be just dropped from down here. Yes.
It's hard.
Just pull down. Just pull down.
What is this?
So we still don't have a cover for it, so please handle it with care. Right? And this iPad
Oh.
still come together with the power adapter,
Wow.
and also with the cable.
Good.
Right? And baby is why you tear the paper?
More.
It's space gray. Right? Let's power on and see.
Let's click the button.
It's Hello
Right.
Apple.
Oh, it's open.
Right.
Here we go.
It's power on.
Well, this video is only 5 minutes.
So this is a very great offer by Maxis. So if you subscribe to Maxis Fiber 300
Hello.
Mbps, you can actually get your
what
iPad
is that?
Generation 9 with this price.
Is
Alright?
that? In the bulky.
Do we have the power button? Do we have the home button? You still
Yeah.
have it, right? Yeah.
Choose my language.
English, please.
English. Select your country.
Malaysia, please.
Origin Malaysia. Setting language. Click start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up. If your other iPhone or iPad.
Okay, now we will set up the iPad later, alright? So I think we have just power on the iPad, right? So
I think I'm gonna go back.
I think
Set up manually.
can
Okay.
continue, yes. Later we can
Choose a
change.
Wi-Fi net. Oh, this can be very private.
Put in your
Don't.
password. Cannot tell, ah.
Yes, I'm signing in.
Okay.
It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Oh, a few minutes. 10 years later. Oh, it's been 10 years. It's still loading. I think good. Data and privacy. This icon appears when an Apple feature asks you to use your personal information. You won't see this every feature since Apple collects this information only when needed to enable features, secure our device services, or
Analyze
personalize your
your
experience.
experience.
Apple believes privacy is a
Fundamental.
fundamental human right, so every Apple product is designed to
Minimize.
minimize the collection
Hmm.
and use of your data used on the device, progressing whenever possible, and provide
Transparency.
transparency and control over your
Information.
continue. Touch ID.
Set up later.
No, I don't.
Just set up later. Alright.
And create a passcode. Oh, easy. Passcode option. What you need. Yep, I did it. Access and data. Don't transfer every data. Apple ID. The rest was by Gertie.
Use the power button. I think you type wrongly the password. Can you type again? Where's the NYUNT? It's NUT, yeah. N-U-T. Why U-N-T? How to spell donut?
D-O-N-U-T.
N-U-T ma, spell again. Ah, where's another number? Yeah. Still wrong?
Can you go check the computer?
No lah. Okay, I think we end this video for today.
No.
Alright, we will need to sign in the Apple ID.
Can you
Only
give
we
me
can-
my other iPad? I need to
Una,
check
no.
the Apple ID.
Okay, so I think we will end our video today. So remember to click the below button to subscribe to our channel.
No.
Alright, bye.
Like the video first.
I like the video.